Hi, this is Eric Keller for the Noma Workshop. I'm excited to welcome you to Volume 3 of my latest training series, Introduction to Maya 2026. After using Maya professionally for over 25 years, I've seen it go through a lot of changes. New tools and new techniques are constantly evolving, and each release of Maya offers potential for creative and innovative workflows. I've designed this series for the Noma Workshop for both beginners, new to Maya, and to help seasoned professionals who wish to incorporate Maya into their pipeline. Maya is a big program. In many ways, it's a collection of modules that all work together within a system. My goal with this series is to get you up and running as fast as possible with the modules that make up the core of Maya 2026. Volume 3 completes the series with 20 video lessons that average 12 to 15 minutes each. This volume focuses on the UV Toolkit, Hypershade, lighting with Arnold, and the many animation editors such as Dope Sheet, Graph Editor, Time Editor, and the animation layers. I hope you enjoy the series, and I wish you the best of luck achieving your goal of becoming a Maya artist.